Hi guys, Aaliyah here with Ode to Paper. Thanks for joining me today. I am here to show you my project files for the Nicole Jones How to Kill... My goodness, I'm having a brain fart. For the Nicole Jones 911 Designs design team. So I have some files to show you that I've printed out. And I wanted to show you her newest files first that I got. Not her newest files, the newest ones that I've picked out. So the book stacks. I am a huge reader, lover of books. My daughter is as well. These are going to come in super, super handy. So this is the Cozy Cafe Seasoned Spices. Then we have Summer Carnival, Radiant Rainbow, Pastel Paradise, and Apples and Oranges. Now, you see I have some Copics here. I wanted to show you something different they've done is they've made them black and white so you can color them. So I have the 2-inch ones, and then I bought I picked out the punchable ones as well. So when I'm done showing you my other files, I'm going to color one of these for you. So I also got some coffee cups and some polka dot viewfinders. So I have the brown 2-inch, the green, the orange, the peach, the purple, yellow, red, light gray, dark gray, and that's it for the coffee cups. I already have some of the other ones, so I only got the ones that I didn't need to get already. So the polka dot viewfinders. Now I got to tell you, when the viewfinders first came out, I love them. Absolutely love them. And this is what they look like. Still an essential for me. And then they came out with the striped viewfinders, and they were my favorite. But I gotta tell ya, now that I'm printing out the polka dots, oh my gosh, these might be my new favorite. So, polka dot viewfinders, we have a blue, the bright orange, the brown, the dark gray, green, light gray. This is the peach. Nope, this is the orange. This is the bright orange. This is the dark orange, and this is the peach. The pink. Look at the colors. I just love them. The purple, the red, and the yellow. Aren't they just gorgeous? So let's go back and look at those black and white books. Now, just a word of warning, I'm assuming my printer uses a laser, but I'm not 100% certain, so we are going to test this out. So I just picked out a blue blend to show you. And bear with me 1 second here, because I don't like to color on my good mat. I will throw something underneath just in case the Copics go through. So we'll give it a try, see how it goes. So we'll do the dark, and I'm just doing rough. I'm not spending a whole bunch of time on this because I have other things to show you. So I'll do, a little part of a book, and we'll see how it goes. Now, if you're new to Copic markers, you'll notice I'm taking the lids off of both ends, and that is because they are pressurized barrels. So sometimes people don't realize that and they leave the lid on one end and then they get a big blob of color. And that's not what we want. So far, this is all good. So they must have used a laser printer, which is really good to know. The other thing people don't know is that some regular inkjet printers are Copic friendly. Canon's in particular, Canon, that ink is Copic friendly. So I use a lot of printables, and my Copics work just fine with my Canon ink. So look at that. I can color these to whatever color I need them to be. How cool is that? So just to show you real quick, so much fun. All right, so also I printed out a bunch of others files that I needed to print out. So I'm going to get those put away while we're talking about it. I haven't decided which file I'm going to put these in. I might have to start their own. So I'm going to organize these and get them put in my files. These are all apples and oranges. And we have, let's get all the assorted ones, because they're all actually in alphabetical order. So it should be fairly simple to pull them all out. And you get to fall in love with all of these files as I flip through them. Sorry, I will enable you. They were on sale. I'm not sure if they still are, but let's take a look. Because it was their anniversary. So we have, let me pull it up real quick and see if they're still on sale for you. Anyways, while I'm doing that, if you want to go and purchase files, you can use my code LEAH10, that's L-E-A-H 10, to get 10% off your order. That includes her classes, and her classes are wonderful. I'm still working my way through some of them, but I do plan to go back and purchase the newest ones. I'm also planning on joining in a crop that she has coming up. Not sure if she has that posted yet, but we'll take a look at that as well. Yeah, anniversary sale, 50% off everything in the store for a limited time. So there you have it. The website is NicoleJones911.com. And you click the tab that says classes or store, and that will take you to all of her embellishment files and as well as her classes. So I have everything in file folders. That's the way, actually that's the way that Nicole does it too, and I found that I really like this. I was cutting everything out separately and then putting them in my color bags, but I find I can't see everything I have. But if I do it this way, then I can see what I have, can see what I need to print out, and it's much easier for me to put my hands on them when I want them, especially when you're looking for specific colors and, you know, specific shape, or say I want a heart, or I want, you know, arrows, or I want arrows with words. Much easier to find them this way. I do have files. I have files for all the colors, all of the assorted colors, and all of the, did I goof that? No, I don't think I did. All of the individual colors, sorry, is what I was trying to say. Here's my Pastel Paradise file. This should be apples and oranges, yes. So we have those, but I also have the books back here. So we'll get those put away. And yeah, so I will have 2 videos up this month to show you what I create, and I'll do a process videos for you. Usually it is a scrapbook layout. Sometimes, like last month, I did this one. I did pocket pages in my 3x8 album, which I really do enjoy doing. So it's an album that is kind of, for me, it is kind of all about me and my favorite things. Yeah, so there we go. There's all the assorted files are done. Put those away. And I just have them on my shelf to the right in a file holder, like a magazine rack, sitting on its side. So we have red is first. To remember, they're all in alphabetical order except for the ones I already pulled out. So there we go. Red. And see, here's my red file. So this just allows me to look through. I only have to cut what I need out of it. You'll notice some of mine are brighter than others because I just started taking them to a printer. Just to give you an idea, this is what it looks like printed off of my printer. Now this was running out of ink, so that's not a good example, but there we go. So this is the red viewfinders off of my home printer, and that's just on 110 pound cardstock. This perfect example is at the printer with a laser printer. Like, look at the difference. These are still good and usable, but these are just so much better. Okay, so we have the reds. Next we have turquoise, which I don't think I have anything here because turquoise is one of my favorite colors. So I basically just printed everything already. I didn't have anything that I needed to print. And here we go with the blues. Do we have any blue in here? Double check. Yes. Do we have blue coffee cups? No. Okay, blues are done. Then we have grays, and I put both of my grays in the same folder. Now, one of the things I noticed is that when I was printing at home, I was printing on 110 pound cardstock. I'm not sure why. Probably because I was a card maker for a long time, and 110 pound is just what I always bought. I always buy like the Staples ream, you know, of however many sheets are in it. And that's what I would use for all my card blanks, bases, all of that. I even pencil color on it because it works really well for that. But I really don't need 110 pound cardstock for embellishments. So when I go to have it done, that's where I'm getting it printed, is at Staples. So when I take it to Staples to get it done, I just get it done on 65 pound cardstock, and it's so much cheaper and it's just as good. So here's my pink file. Look at the lovely colors. And we'll pull out the pinks. Don't think there's coffee cups in pink because I think I already have those in here. Yeah. And we have it in here. Yep. We have arrows and viewfinders. Then we have the oranges. I also put both oranges together, the bright and the dark. I don't see the need to separate them because They're in orange, and yeah. It's just as easy to flip through the one file to get them all. Do I have peach in there too? I can't remember. I may have peach in there as well. Nope, I don't. Peach has its own. All right. It's peach. That's orange. And that's orange. And we have, it's peach. Orange. I feel like I missed an orange here. Nope. Good to go. All right, yellow. Now you'll notice her yellows, some of them are very green, but they are a variation of yellow, so I actually like that. If you want brighter yellows, the brighter yellows are in the apples and oranges, in the assorted files. So apples and oranges, Radiant Rainbow. Bright orange is in those files. So quick look for yellows. I don't think there's any in here. Nope. All right, greens. So yeah, I will have more videos for you. The rest of the design team. We have Nicole, we have Moira, and Sarah, and they are all posting as well. I do have some empty files here, so we will set one up for those. Black and white. Here's purple. And we have purple coffee cups. Looks like I missed a red. There we go. Peach. And brown. Love the browns. I love the variation in colors. And again, these are very umber browns. If you're looking for more sienna browns, yeah, you need to look in the assorted files. So yeah, there we have it. We'll throw this red one in here. Put these away, and that's it for me today, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget, the code for a discount is Leah10, all capital letters, LEAH10, and the website is NicoleJones911.com. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye.